Hi students, in this video session we learn about the similarity, similar triangles and the basic proportionality theorem. So let's begin it. Yeah, we have two triangles ABC and PQR. Can you name the corresponding angles of these triangles? Absolutely correct. Here ABC and PQ are angles BC and Q are E and angle CB and BQ are the corresponding angles. When we observe the triangles ABC and PQR, we notice that the corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are proportional. In the previous video, we learned that two polygons are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are proportional. Hence, these two triangles will be similar. We represent the similarity between two polygons by this symbol. Famous mathematician Thales has given a conclusion by using the basic proportionality theory that the ratio of any two corresponding sides into equally angular triangles is always the same. Can you tell what are equally angular triangles? Triangles which have equal corresponding angles are called equal angular triangle. Now let's understand the basic proportionality theorem with an activity. Stick a triangle-shaped piece of paper. Let's call it ABC. When we measure the sides of this triangle, we find that AB is equal to 14 centimeters, BC is equal to 35 centimeters and EC is equal to 21 centimeters. Now let's take a point T anywhere on the triangle and we draw a line parallel to line BC through the point T which cuts the sides B and C at points M and N respective. And point M divides the side AB into two parts AM and MB, and point N divides the side AC into two parts and an NC. As you can see here, we get a new triangle AMN. If you measure the sides of triangle AM and AM measure 6 centimeters and measures 9 and MN measures 15 centimeters. Can you comment on the sides AB and AC? Can you find the length of sides MB and NC? This can be done with the help of scale or in this manner. You pay attention, you will find that MB and NC are mutually proportional. Based on this activity, we can see that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a truck to intersect the other two sides of distinct points, these two sides are divided in the same ratio, and this is known as the basic proportionality theorem. Can you test the converse of this theorem? Will this also be true if a line divides any two sides of the triangle in the same? Then this line is parallel to the third side of the triangle. Today in this video session, we learned about similarity, similar triangles and the basic proportionality theorem. In the next video session, we will look at some examples based on these. Till then, stay safe and have a happy learning.